What's up? This is Terrell with 7 Kings Trading 101, and this is going to be the recap video for the signal that we sent out for the week of October 14th, 2018. The signal itself, we actually was able to get out that very day, and so there was a nice little gap in the market, so it was kind of an easy call. I'll go over that here in a second, but this was the signal, the GBP JPY pair to go long at 146.777. We see those three sevens. That's a good luck charm for 7 Kings Trading 101. So it was another good sign for us that this was a good trade. Stop loss at 146.190. Take profit at 147.616. So just to kind of go over the actual trade before we go over the results. Again, this was the close of the Friday session, and then the open of the Friday session was here. So we had this nice little gap down in the market over the weekend. And then as you can see, when it opened, it actually pushed down to touch our D leg to the pip. And when you get something like that with a gap down, like, that's a great signal, because we know most of our gap downs are going to fill. There's a lot of trades up here that's trapped. So the market eventually wants to go back up there and take care of, those orders. And so we had a lot of good signals that the price was going to reverse and go back up. So this was our risk, this was our reward, and it took about a day for us to actually fill our target, but we did. We was in drawdown for maybe 2 hours, if that. And yeah, from there on, we were actually in the positive for most of the trade. And again, if you wasn't able to get in when I sent the signal, you had multiple opportunities to get in. The signal came here. I sent the signal. You could have got in. You could have got filled here. You could have got filled here, and you could have got filled here. So multiple opportunities to get into the trade. And yeah, we didn't come close to our stop loss, and we was able to get our full target on that. So about 84 pips, 83 pips on that trade. That was a good one. And just to kind of go over some of the other trades that I took this week, just to kind of let you know what to expect from the premium signal service that we're going to be starting in November. This was a crab that came right after our bat here on the same pair, so I was able to take that one, got 114 pips off it. First target was hit here, second target was hit there pretty much the same day, so that was an easy one. And we also had a nice bat here. We're still, just to kind of point out, we still have a couple of things that we're looking at here, but we haven't been able to get those to form yet. As you can see, we was coming down to see if we wanted to form this bat right here, but right at this neckline we got our resistance, and then on the 30-minute chart we were able to see the actual bat formation that was forming on that time frame. And just to kind of go down to it so we could see that bat a little bit better, this was the bat that was forming on the 30-minute time frame, so we were able to get in on this, and this was a easy trade as well. It got to our target. You have multiple opportunities. Again, it touches the D there like a few times. The hover option right now is kind of making it hard to show, but as you can see where our D line is right here, price touched it 2-3 times, and so you have multiple opportunities to get into that trade. So the signals that I send, you don't necessarily have to get them immediately, although that would be the best time to get it, set your trade up so that it's ready to go. But normally you're going to get multiple opportunities to get into these trades. And so that being said, we're looking at a couple of things for next week, so I'll be sending out some more signals, or another free signal for next week, and just getting everybody prepared for November when we start our premium signal services. So that being said, this is Terrell with 7 Kings Trading 101. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. As always, you have a wonderful day.